Welcome to another edition of Ask the Hub, the series where I take questions from the community on business, technology and product development and talk with experts in the field from the Amplifyre Hub. Today we have here Savina Čolić. She's the delivery director of TMS, and we'll talk about how software teams can stay agile while working with traditional companies. Hi Savina, thank you for taking the time for this call.
Hi David, thank you for inviting me. I'm fine. Greetings from sunny Belgrade. It's such a pleasure being here.
Perfect. Nice to hear that it's sunny. Here in Berlin, unfortunately, not so much today, but well.
We'll send over some sun to you.
Perfect. Thanks. That's great. So the topic is how agile teams can create trust with traditional clients. Before we get into this, tell us a little bit about TMS. Tell us a little bit, also that we understand the context of why agility is a big topic for you.
TMS, a Belgrade-based company, is actually a family of digital natives standing behind great software solutions within various industries like fintech, martech, medtech, and many more. We've been in the industry for almost a decade right now, and we have seen Agile gaining traction with numerous clients from all walks of life right now. This means that Agile is accepted, and that's a very well-known fact as a de facto standard in the industry. However, there are still big companies which like to do it in a different way, having more control within their projects and not buying in Agile as easily as the smaller and younger ones. So today I'm sharing our experience with you.
Okay, thank you for that. So when we think about agility, this is definitely standard for software companies, but many traditional companies, they have like a specific set of guidelines, rules that they want to deliver on Q3, Q4 with a specific budget in their mind, which sometimes maybe is difficult in the agile way, let's say. So what challenges do you encounter when you work with them?
I can say what you mentioned is actually frequently the case. So the companies really want to have control over it, which is completely acceptable and fine. On the other hand, there are some things that we need to take our time to reassure our partners to actually embrace Agile and all its benefits, while still staying to their control style of working. So what do? We actually are very transparent with them. We are open and communicate all the things along the way, be they good or bad. So if there is a problem, if there is something that cannot be done, we really say, unfortunately, this cannot be done due to this and that reason. When we do not stop there, of course, we immediately offer the solutions, the alternatives, and we want to help them deliver the value to their end clients or their end users. How do we do it then? We, together with them, collaboratively with them, work on the plan, and they really see the benefits of it. They, in the end, achieve their goal in another way. Within software development industry, it is always possible. There are numerous ways on how to solve the problem, and they are really grateful for that.
So, how can companies now stay agile with those clients? So how do they cope exactly when these processes that come there are so stiff and rigid, and at the same time they want to be agile? How do they adapt to it, or how do they use it?
They should be aware of being exposed to different, let's say, compliance rules, to different processes and so on. And this is completely fine. Being agile, we are open to change. We are open to adaptation in the end towards any specific situation that we are in. And in that sense, we really help them understand, and the agile teams should actually be there, help their partners or clients, and still adapt to the processes that are inherent to the partners' industries. So Apart from that, being open, communicating things frequently, delivering things frequently is very important. And this is where the trust as one of Scrum values is built. Once this spark of trust is there, I think both sides win. They start doing things in a fully blown manner, and the software then gains traction. So the teams work in their agile way, the compliance is there, and the clients or partners just reap the benefits of this collaboration.
So you would say a traditional company that would like to go into the agile way, the thing that they need most, or the thing that they need first, is a spark of trust. Yeah,
I could say that twice. That's it. Yes.
Okay, great. Then, thank you very much for your time, Savina, for telling us a little bit more about agility with traditional companies.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
And for the viewers out there, if you have other questions or comments on this topic, please leave them down here and we are happy to answer them for you. See you next time.